was the class known as Section E, where the students loved to tease, annoy, and bully each other. They also had a habit of keeping secret, hiding their problems, and holding grudges against one another. But despite everything, they still remained as one group. One day, their group decided to bully whoever they saw, and their target was Nika. Mika was one of the beautiful and smart students in Section 8.
Alam mo ba nangyari sa akin kanina? Ayun, binuli na naman ako ng mga taga-Section A. Pero alam mo ba, pinagtanggol na naman ako ng guy na hindi ko malaman.
Tama ba maging mahina at magpadala ako sa emosyon sa lahat ng bagay? O tama bang hayaan ko mawala ang mga pinapangarap ko nang dahil sa nangyari sa akin o dinanas ko?
Ano kayang name ng guy?
Oh, hey, I'm Alan.
Ganto kasi yan. Nung una, tinulungan niya ako sa mga kaibigan niya. Pangalawa, binigyan niya ako ng panyo.
Si Alan pala yung sinasabi niyang guy. Enough.
Kapag magulo na ang mundo, ikaw ang payapang hinahanap.
After that, everything that happened to them, they just accepted with each other. And that's when they realized that not all their suspicions were true.